कर्नाटक के लिए जिन ऑब्जर्वर की तकर्री की गई थी उन्होंने अरकान असेंबली से मिलकर तैयार की गई रिपोर्ट को कांग्रेस सदर मल्लिका अर्जुन खड़गे को सौंप दी है। इसी रिपोर्ट की बुनियाद पर सीएम का नाम तय किया जाएगा। उधर डीके शिवकुमार आज दिल्ली पहुंचकर कांग्रेस आला कमान से मुलाकात करेंगे। सिद्धरामैया पहले से ही दिल्ली में मौजूद हैं। गुज़िश्ता रोज तबीयत खराब होने की वजह से डीके शिवकुमार कल दिल्ली नहीं आ सके थे।
My program is that I have to meet my party high command. I've been asked to come there yesterday night.
Sir, can you please look this side, sir?
But due to my health and other spiritual formalities,
Sir.
so instead of going into late night, because the last 2-3 days I didn't have sleep, so at least for 5-6 hours I could sleep.
One thing, sir, you always said party is my card.
Definitely.
Will that quote continues, sir, again?
Pardon?
That quote always continues?
Of course, he said, we have built this party, we have built this house. I'm a part of it. I'm not alone. I'm a part of it.
You always used to say that party is like a mother. Party will give everything to us.
Definitely, a mother will give the child everything, whatever she needs. After all, if anyone is there, it is only the party, no? Minus Congress, everyone is zero. If anyone has become anything, it is only because of the Congress party. Ours is a united house. Our numbers are 135 plus. I don't want to divide anyone here. Whether they like me, whether they doesn't like me, I'm a party president. I'm a responsible man. I have to look everyone in a same eyes. I will not backstab also. I will not blackmail also. See, party will give me responsibility. Why should I worry about it? If I am eligible, they will give. Why to worry on that?
Party will declare sir CM phase today. Are you expecting, sir?